In this video, we are discussing Boolean type data in Java. In the demonstration, we are going to discuss Boolean type of variable, that is the myBool. So Boolean myBool. So myBool is a variable of the type Boolean. MyBool has got initialized with the value that is true. Here you can find that in case of true, all the letters are written in the lowercase. And then we are trying to print the value of myBool there. And myBool is equal to false. We are setting the value of myBool with false. That is, we know that Boolean data type can have two values, either true or false, and then it is printing there's myBool there. So let me go for the execution. You can find for the first time myBool has got printed as true. For the second time myBool has got printed as false. So now let me go for some other experiments. Here I am writing here 100. So now if I go on printing, I am finding that it is producing error because proceed. You can find that it is producing error because this myBool cannot hold any other data type's value. It can hold only true and false as it is showing the respective error message. So the error message is showing that exception in thread main java.lang.error, unresolved compilation problem, type mismatch, cannot convert to int or boolean. From int to boolean, because 100 was int, it cannot be converted to boolean, and that's why it is producing one error at the line number 13 here for this respective Java code. So that's why you can find that this particular boolean variable can hold only the value true and false, cannot hold the value of any other data type's data. So that's why in this demonstration we have given you the idea how to deal with the boolean type of variable. Thanks for watching this video.